Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix no post yet problem showing on Instagram profile. So if you are also going through this kind of issue, this is not a new thing. Many users have reported that while visiting their own profile or somebody else's profile, they cannot see their posts. So here I will show you how to fix this problem. What you need to do is first you need to restart your device once. So this is an important step. After restarting your phone, now check if you can see the posts of that particular person or your own profile. So what you need to do is simply press the power plus volume up button and now click on restart. So this will restart your device. After restarting, check if you can see any posts on your profile. If not, next you need to clear cache of Instagram. So for that, hold the Instagram icon, then click on app info. After that, click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache option. So after doing this, now check if you can see the posts on the profile. If not, you should also check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you should check if any update is available. If there is any update available, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, then what you need to do is you just have to contact the support team. So for that, open Instagram and then go to the help section. Now go below, and here you can see help option. Click on help, then click on report a problem, then click on report problem, then include and continue, and here you need to explain whatever the issue you are coming across briefly, and if you have any screenshot or such kind, then you can upload it from here. And after uploading it and whatever issue you are coming across, after explaining each and everything, you simply need to click on send option. So after this, you have to wait for some time and then check if whatever the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix posts not showing on your profile or anybody other's profile on Instagram. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.